Long, luscious hair has always been revered as a symbol of beauty and femininity across cultures. From ancient rituals to modern trends, women have sought ways to enhance their natural hair growth. In an era dominated by chemical-laden products, there's a growing movement towards embracing natural alternatives. This shift is driven by a desire for gentle yet effective solutions that work in harmony with our bodies. DIY beauty remedies passed down through generations are experiencing a resurgence in popularity. The allure of natural ingredients lies in their purity and the absence of harsh chemicals that can damage hair in the long run. These readily available ingredients offer a holistic approach to hair care, nourishing both the scalp and strands from within. Join us as we delve into the world of natural hair care, uncovering time-tested secrets and scientifically proven methods to unlock your hair's true potential. This journey towards healthier, more vibrant hair begins with understanding the power of nature's gifts. By incorporating these simple yet effective ingredients and techniques into your routine, you can embark on a transformative journey towards achieving the hair of your dreams. Nature provides a treasure trove of ingredients that can work wonders for your hair. Coconut oil, a staple in many cultures, is renowned for its moisturizing and strengthening properties. Its rich fatty acid content nourishes the scalp, while its antimicrobial properties combat dandruff and infections. CBD, a non-psychoactive compound found in cannabis, has taken the beauty world by storm. Another powerhouse ingredient is aloe vera, known for its soothing and healing properties. Its gel-like substance is rich in vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids that promote hair growth and prevent breakage. Similarly, onion juice, though pungent, is a potent source of sulfur, a key component of keratin, the protein that makes up our hair. These are just a few examples of the many natural ingredients that can transform your hair care routine. By understanding their unique properties and incorporating them into your regimen, you can address specific hair concerns and unlock your hair's true potential. Countless women throughout history have attributed their enviable tresses to natural remedies. For instance, Cleopatra, the Egyptian queen renowned for her beauty, was said to have used aloe vera to maintain her lustrous locks. Similarly, traditional Indian practices often incorporate coconut oil hair masks for their strengthening and shine-enhancing benefits. These anecdotal accounts are supported by a growing body of scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science found that coconut oil significantly reduced protein loss in hair, leading to stronger and less prone to breakage strands. Another study highlighted the efficacy of aloe vera in soothing scalp inflammation and promoting hair growth in individuals experiencing hair loss. These success stories and scientific findings underscore the power of natural ingredients in promoting hair health. They offer a compelling testament to the fact that nature holds the key to unlocking your hair's full potential. To understand how natural remedies work, it's essential to grasp the basics of hair growth. Hair grows from follicles, tiny openings in the scalp. Each follicle contains cells that produce keratin, the protein that forms the hair shaft. The hair growth cycle comprises 3 phases: anagen, growth phase; catagen, transitional phase; and telogen, resting phase. Factors like genetics, hormones, nutrition, and overall health influence hair growth rate and quality. Natural ingredients can positively impact hair growth by providing nourishment, stimulating blood circulation to the scalp, and protecting hair from damage. For instance, coconut oil's lauric acid penetrates the hair shaft, strengthening it from within and reducing breakage. Understanding these fundamental principles empowers us to make informed choices about our hair care routines. By choosing natural ingredients and techniques that support healthy hair growth, we can cultivate an environment conducive to long, strong, and vibrant locks. Section 5. Coconut oil, the ancient elixir for hair growth. Coconut oil, derived from the flesh of mature coconuts, has been treasured for its beauty and health benefits for centuries. Its versatility knows no bounds, from culinary uses to skincare and, of course, hair care. Lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid abundant in coconut oil, readily penetrates the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and strengthening hair fibers. This unique property makes coconut oil an excellent treatment for dry, damaged and brittle hair. Regular application of coconut oil can help to restore moisture, improve elasticity and prevent breakage, leading to longer, stronger and healthier hair. Furthermore, coconut oil's antimicrobial properties combat scalp infections and dandruff, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Whether used as a pre-wash treatment, a leave-in conditioner, or a styling aid, coconut oil can significantly improve the health and appearance of your hair. Its versatility, affordability, and efficacy make it a must-have in any natural hair care routine. Section 6. CBD, the buzzworthy ingredient for hair wellness. CBD, short for cannabidiol, is a non-psychoactive compound found in the cannabis plant. Unlike THC, CBD does not produce a high and is gaining increasing recognition for its potential therapeutic benefits, including its positive effects on hair health. CBD interacts with the endocannabinoid system, a complex network of receptors found throughout the body, including in the skin and hair follicles. This interaction is believed to contribute to CBD's ability to regulate sebum production, reduce inflammation, and promote hair growth. Moreover, CBD is a potent antioxidant, protecting hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. This protective effect can help to prevent premature hair loss and maintain a healthy scalp environment. While research on CBD's effects on hair is still in its early stages, preliminary findings suggest that it holds immense promise as a natural ingredient for promoting hair growth, reducing hair loss, and improving overall hair health. Section 7. Scalp massage, stimulating growth from the roots. Often overlooked, scalp massage is a simple yet powerful technique for promoting hair growth. Our scalp is teeming with blood vessels that nourish hair follicles. Massaging the scalp helps to increase blood flow to these follicles, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen that are crucial for hair growth. Regular scalp massage can help to stimulate dormant hair follicles, encouraging them to enter the anagen or growth phase. This stimulation can lead to thicker, fuller hair over time. Furthermore, scalp massage can help to relieve stress and tension, which are known contributors to hair loss. Incorporating a few minutes of scalp massage into your daily routine can significantly benefit your hair health. Whether you use your fingertips or a scalp massager, the key is to apply gentle yet firm pressure in circular motions. For enhanced benefits, consider using a few drops of hair-friendly oil like coconut, almond, or jojoba oil during your scalp massage. Section 8. Brushing, more than just detangling. Brushing might seem like a mundane task, but it plays a vital role in maintaining hair health and promoting growth. Proper brushing helps to distribute natural oils from the scalp, known as sebum, along the hair shaft, providing lubrication and protection. This distribution of sebum is essential for maintaining moisture balance, preventing dryness, and enhancing shine. Moreover, brushing helps to exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells and product buildup that can clog hair follicles and hinder growth. However, it's crucial to choose the right brush and use it correctly. Opt for a brush with natural bristles, such as boar bristle, which are gentle on the hair and scalp. Avoid brushing wet hair as it's more susceptible to breakage. Instead, gently detangle wet hair with a wide-toothed comb, starting from the ends and working your way up to the roots. By incorporating proper brushing techniques into your routine, you can promote scalp health, enhance shine, and minimize breakage, contributing to longer, healthier hair. Section 9. Integrating natural hair care into your routine. Incorporating these natural hair care practices into your daily routine doesn't require a complete overhaul. Start with small, manageable steps. Replace your regular conditioner with a coconut oil hair mask once or twice a week. Add a few drops of CBD oil to your shampoo or conditioner. Incorporate a 5-minute scalp massage into your evening routine while watching TV or reading a book. Be patient and consistent with your efforts. Natural remedies take time to show noticeable results. Embrace the journey of nurturing your hair with nature's gifts, and you'll be rewarded with healthier, more vibrant locks that reflect your inner and outer beauty. Remember, healthy hair is a reflection of a healthy body. Combine these natural hair care practices with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques to unlock your hair's full potential.